10th chapter, Applications of Derivatives. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1B, Part 3. Last part completed Impounded 2 marks approximate value. Model problems completed, that definition and formula also be completed. Today discuss errors. Here errors are three types. What is that? First of all, if y is any one variable, then delta y is called absolute error or error. First type is error or absolute error. Error or absolute error meaning what? Y is any one variable, delta y is called absolute error or error. This is the first one. Second one, delta y by y is called relative error. Which error? Relative error. Third one, delta y by y into 100 is called percentage error. Which error? Percentage error. See students, errors are three types. Errors are absolute errors, relative errors and percentage error. Here y is any one variable, delta y is called error or absolute error, delta y by y is called relative error, delta y by y into 100 is called percentage error. This is the definition of the errors, types of the errors. Definitions completed, types of the errors completed. Next to discuss the problems of the errors. What is the first problem? If the increase in the side of square, is 4%, then find the approximate percentage of increase in the area of the square. Suppose square is given. This one is square. Suppose this square side is x. All sides are x. The increased side of square is given. Increase nothing but change of side. Change of side of square is given. Suppose let x be the side of the square. X be the side of the square. Then increase the side of the square nothing but here 4%. Increase the percentage of side of square nothing but delta x by x into 100. That is nothing but percentage error. That is nothing but what here? Percentage error of side is given 4%. 4% nothing but percentage error. What is the definition of percentage error? Delta y by y into 100. Here y is any one variable. Here x is any one variable, that way you can write here delta x by x into 100 equal to 4. That's why what is the square of area of the square increases? Let A be the area of the square. A be the area of the square. Here what is the area of the square formula? A is equal to x square. Here derivative A derivative is you can write delta A, dA nothing but delta A, x square derivative is 2x into delta x. Understood or not friends? Understood or not? A derivative is delta A, x square derivative is 2x, x derivative, the rate of change of x is what here? Delta x. After that the percentage area of the square, percentage error of area of the square equal to delta A by A into 100. This is the formula. In this formula, you know the delta A value 2x into delta x. But we know that A value x square into 100. Here x 1x get cancelled. 2 into delta x by x into 100. What is the value of delta x by x into 100? You know that delta x by x into 100 is 4. That's why you can write 2 into 4. You get A. A is the percentage error of the area of the square. Therefore percentage error of area of the square. Area of the square is 8 8%. How many percentage? 8%. Suppose the side of the square is increases 4%, then the area of the square are increasing with 8%. In this problem is very important repeated problem in IB examination. The diameter of a sphere is measured to be 40 centimeters. Sphere diameter is given, that is 40 centimeters. If on error 0.02 centimeters is made in it, the approximate error in the volume of the sphere and surface area of the sphere. Here, what is the sphere? Sphere is a three-dimensional geometry. This is the center of the sphere, this is the radius, this one is the radius, this total is the diameter of the sphere. Diameter nothing but 2 times of the radius. That's why you can write radius equal to half of the diameter. You can use this formula. See students, here diameter is given that suppose D be the diameter of the sphere, then D is equal to given 40 centimeters given. Error of the diameter also be given. Error nothing but change, that is delta D. Delta D also be given 0.02 centimeters is made. What is the approximate value? What is the approximate value? Delta V. What is delta V? And what is the surface area? Approximate error in value. Then V be the volume of the sphere. In this volume of the sphere, what is the formula volume of the sphere? V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. See students, here diameter is given, not radius is given. What is the diameter? 2 times of the radius. What is the radius? Half of the diameter. That's why you can write here 4 by 3 pi d by 2 whole cube. R value is d by 2, that is whole cube. Next to equal to, you can write 4 by 3 into pi d cube by 2 cube nothing but you can write pi d cube by 2 cube. 2 cube 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 4 1 is 4 2 is you can write 1 by 6 into pi d cube. Next to derivative on both sides, you get what here? Delta V equal to 1 by 6 pi get common. D cube derivative. D cube derivative 3d square into delta D. 3d square into derivative of the delta D. 3 1 is 3 2 is get answer. Delta V equal to 5 by 2 into what is the value of D? What is the value of D? 40. 40 square into delta D value is 0.02. You can write this is 5 by 2 into 40 into 40 into 40 square nothing but 40 into 40. 0.02 nothing but 2 by 100. You can simplify this one. You get what? Delta V equal to here 0 get cancel. 2 get cancel. 6 4 4 is 16 into by 16 by centimeter cube. Therefore, approximate error of value of the sphere. Delta V is equal to 16 by centimeter cube. Sometimes you can write pi value is 3.14. Sometimes you can write in place of pi 3.14. That is your wish. Some textbook answers simplify 3.14 substitute in place of pi. Some textbooks just answer this is it. This is the approximate error in value is completed. Next, surface area. S be the surface area of the sphere. What is the surface area of the sphere? S is equal to 4 pi r square. This is a formula of the surface area of the sphere. In the surface area of the sphere, r line is not given. That's why you can write r equal to half of the diameter. You get S is equal to 4 pi d by 2 whole square. You can write 4 pi into d square by 2 square value is 4. You can cancel these two. You get S is equal to pi d square. Here approximate value nothing but delta s. Derivative this one is delta s is equal to pi into d square derivative 2d into d derivative is delta d. Will you know that all values? D value is 40. Delta is equal to pi into 2 into 40 into 0.02. Delta d value is 40. Delta d value is 0.02. After that you can write delta s is equal to 2 pi into 40 into 2 by 100. 1010 get cancelled. 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Delta is equal to 16 pi by 10. You can write this is 1.65. 16 by 10 nothing but 1.65 centimeter square. What is the area of this sphere? Area units is centimeter square. Volume units is centimeter cube. Sometimes some textbooks are in place of y you can write 3.14 simplify. This way you can do that in this model problem. First you can formulas. Area of the sphere, surface area of the sphere, total area of the sphere, volume of the sphere. In this type of formulas you can easily understand in this model problems. Today assignment problems are homework problems. First problem is the radius of the sphere. Radius of the sphere is given 14 centimeters. Later it was found that there is an error. What is the error of radius? 0.02 centimeters is measuring the radius. Find the approximate error in the surface area of the sphere. What is the surface area of the sphere formula? 4 pi r square. You can find delta s. Delta s is equal to derivative 4 pi into r square derivative 2r into r derivative delta r. You can substitute all values. In this way you can show that the first problem. This is the hint. Second one, the side of square is increased from 3 to 3.01. Here actual side of the square is x, then x value is 3. This 3 is increasing how much? Delta x is equal to 3.01 minus 3.003. You can write 0.01 error. The side of the square is 3. Error of the side of the square is not given, but this 3 point increasing nothing but that is error. 3.01 minus 3. You get 0.01 is delta x. Find the approximate increase of area. Area equal to x square. Delta a you can find. Delta a is equal to x square derivative 2x delta x. X value is 3. Delta x value 0.01. Write in this equation. You get answer. You can perfectly clearly write down total answer. Just I am hint is given. Okay students. After that, if the increase the side of the square is percentage is given. Here x be the side of the square. Delta x by x into 100 is given 2. Then approximate percentage increases area. Area is delta a by a into 100 is equal to how much? This problem model already explained the first problem of in this part. That problem model you can write in place of 2%, in place of 4% that problem you can write 2%. You get answer. Okay student, these 3 are homework problems. You can use hints. Total problem you can solve clearly.